Hi, I'm Ali and welcome to my channel. My June 2019 Allure Beauty Box just arrived in the mail yesterday, so I thought I'd film an unboxing video for you today. The Allure Beauty Box is a $15 monthly beauty box subscription, but when you first sign up, in addition to a free gift, you also get your first box for just $10 a month. And I'm not sure if it was a billing glitch, but I actually got my first 3 boxes for $10 a month. I have no complaints about the $15 monthly fee though. There is a mix of full-size and sample-size products within each box, and this really is one of my favorite beauty box subscriptions. So if you're interested in seeing what I got this month, just keep watching. Okay, so opening up the box, it seems to be pretty packed in here. So let's see. So the first thing I see is a $20 off promo code off your full price order at bubblebar.com, which is an online jewelry merchant. There's also the little booklet that tells you all of the products in your box as well as their values. So the first product I see is this SGX NYC, the Do-It-All 3-in-1 Dry Texture Spray. So let's see. Well, that's interesting. It's a dry shampoo meets hairspray product. And I definitely am into dry shampoo since I don't wash my hair every other day. So this definitely sounds like something I can get a lot of use out of. I've already put I think it has a fragrance, but it's hard to tell since I already used my Batiste dry shampoo today, but I will definitely give this a try and let you guys know what I think of it. Okay, and next, oh, it looks like they changed up their bag a little bit. Previous bags had little snaps on it, and for some reason my first couple of bags came broken, but this one looks okay. So next product is another spray bottle. It's the Oven Thermal Spring Water. So it seems like it's a mist. Let's see what it says. So according to my booklet, this looks like it's a hydrating facial mist, which is not something that I really use, but it definitely is getting a lot more humid and hot as summer approaches. Maybe putting it in the fridge and then using it might be a nice refreshing treat. So I will give this a try. Next product is this Context Vitamin C All Day Eye Cream. And this is a $35 value. I think it's actually a full-size product as well. It says it can be also used as a makeup base, has active ingredients vitamin C and E, antioxidants that guard against pigmentation and collagen breakdown. I do enjoy vitamin C products. I've never tried one in an eye cream form or eye gel form, so this should be interesting. And I didn't mention, but the SGX Dry Shampoo meets Hairspray. Oh, there's no value, but I'm assuming that's a travel size version. And the Oven, you know, actually it says the price is $18.50, but I doubt that's the price for this travel size. So if I can find them, I will look up the values for these travel size products and insert them when I'm editing the video. Okay, next is this floss. Okay, so it's a lip gloss. I think it's in the shade Yule. I'm wondering if it actually comes out that color. So let's see. This is a thin formula lightweight lip gloss, and I think this is a full-size product and value is $16. So let's just see really quickly if there's, okay, I think it's just a clear lip gloss. I'm not seeing any color there in that swatch, but I have been enjoying lip glosses lately, so I will give this a try, see if it becomes my new favorite lip gloss. Okay, next product. Oh, it's a Moroccan oil treatment. I've never tried one of these, but I have purchased them in the past from Nordstrom as Christmas presents for some of my friends. So let's see. You can use a quarter-size blob to help tame flyaways and frizz, and I definitely have frizzy hair. I don't usually blow dry though, I just let it air dry. So we'll see if I can use it without blow drying. Otherwise, I will have to bust out my hair dryer or find it first. But I could definitely use this. I have a lot of split ends too. I wonder if it would help with that. Okay, and the last product in the little bag is this Brow Gal pencil in medium brown 04. So it looks, maybe it's dual-ended. Okay, there's a spoolie on one end and just a pencil on the other, and the cap or the lid actually has a little sharpener on it, so that's kind of interesting. Let's see, maybe because it's really sharp, but it does give a pretty fine, or it draws a pretty fine line, and I think that'll be a good shade match for me. So maybe next month's July monthly makeup basket, we'll see. Okay, so that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 6 products, but I have something else in my bag or my box. So let's see. There's an NCLA nail polish in the shade Call My Agent. Kind of looks like a maybe hot pink. Fuchsia pink color. There's also a Neutrogena makeup remover cleansing towelette. This is a single. Ooh, and a Makeup Forever mini lipstick. This is in the shade C211. I think I've gotten this before, maybe from a Sephora Playbox or maybe an Ipsy. Let's see. Oh, it's definitely my kind of shade. I have a rose shade and a lot of product. So, okay, so that's all that was in this little bag, and there's a note. Okay, it says, "Thank you. We hope you enjoy this special gift. It's totally separate from your regular beauty box and our way of showing you how much we appreciate having you as a loyal member." Oh, so that's really nice. I think I've had my Allure Beauty Box since September 2018, so that's this is the 9th box I've received, so I guess it's a 9-month member gift. That's really cool. Okay, so to recap everything that came in this month's box, I got the dry shampoo texture spray, the hydrating facial mist from Aven, the Moroccan oil hair treatment, the vitamin C eye cream, and the Brow Gal eyebrow pencil, and the Floss lip gloss. So it looks like I have 3 full-size products out of the 6, so that's pretty awesome. And there was also the bonus gift, the Makeup Forever travel size lippy, the NCLA nail polish, and the single-use Neutrogena makeup remover wipe. I actually think I might have this. This kind of looks familiar, so I think I'll actually put both of these products in a giveaway that I'm planning for the end of the summer, so stay tuned for that. Definitely consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't already, so you'll be eligible for that giveaway when it comes. And that'll complete today's unboxing video. Thanks so much for stopping by, and hope to see you again in my next video. Bye.